Start working with AutoRepair Cloud. Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud, a cloud-based, cost-effective, and full-featured, all-in-one platform designed to run an auto repair shop. In this video, you will learn how to start working with AutoRepair Cloud. To start working in AutoRepair Cloud, first go to our application page at autorepaircloud.com. You will need to register. Fill out all required fields in the registration form. First, select your country from the drop-down menu and select your language. Then, enter your name and contact data, your phone number with a country code and your email address. Make sure your phone number is correct, as it will be used for entering the system. Next, enter the data about your shop, such as name of the shop, address, city, state, if you are located in the United States. If you are located outside of the United States, the state and postal zip code will be hidden. Check if you entered the address of your shop correctly, so that your customers could find it with a graphic map service. Read the privacy policy and the terms of service for AutoRepair Cloud. If you agree with the terms of confidentiality, put a check mark in the checkbox. And finally, press Register and activate your account button. To familiarize yourself with the application, use the demo data to see the examples of the filled-out client data, repair orders, vehicle cards, and etc. You can remove the unwanted data at any time. You can skip the demo data and use the application without it. Your account is activated and you are ready to start working. However, it might happen that registration does not go through immediately. Your shop may have already been registered in the system by a customer's request or by your colleague. If a customer is looking for an unregistered repair shop, the system creates an inactive account for it. If you see a message saying that a customer with this number already exists, check if you entered the phone number and the email address correctly. If the phone number and the address are correct and you receive the same message again, this means that your shop has been previously registered. In this case, you need to get a password by clicking Send Code to a customer's phone. You should be receiving a text message or an email. If you experience any difficulties with registration, please contact our tech support service via an online form. Enter your contact data and describe your issues. Our online tech support service will contact you soon. Thank you for watching our customer web portal. If you think this video is useful, click like and subscribe to watch other videos and stay connected.